Yeah, so today we show you how to make a really cool Swish pan effect in Premiere Pro. Whip pan, Swish pan, whatever you want to call it. Opening Premiere Pro! Okay, so. Yeah! Okay, so let's make the whip pan effect in Premiere Pro. Come on, let's go. Let's go in here and then. Cool. So we are going to make this in here. So from this to this. So first thing you need to do, guys, so you want to get a slide transition, video transitions, go to slide, go to push, go in here and trim it so it doesn't get too long, just like that, like that. And then you gotta go into your project manager, go to new, and then click adjustment layer. You can just change the resolution, whatever. Just go in here and then change the adjustment layer settings. Make it as long as this push effect timing. And if you wanna go to your effects panel and then search for directional blur. There we go. Directional blur. Put it in there, and then you wanna go to the middle of the frames. You're gonna go in your effect controls tab. Tab. You're gonna go in here and then set the direction to 90 degrees so it can go like that, and then go your enable this variable blur length. Go to your starting of the adjustment layers frame. Go to the middle and set the blur length to maybe like that, and then go in here and then set it to 0 so it can look like there. It's like a really cool whip pan effect. You can change the position of the position of it. Going to the push effect and then going here. There. There. Like that, or you wanna go up. There. And this. You wanna go here, here. But I wanna select to go in here. Thanks guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.